Friggin' rights, boys. Beautiful birds day in Inwood. How you doing?
Good, yourself?
Not too bad. Do you want to just pull her up?
Yeah, sure.
How's he gonna light her? I got a little bit of package from expensives. That works. Oh, this one heavy big time. Oh shit. It's a solar charging system, for fuck's sakes. Power your life. Decent. Awesome. Charging her. Something. Probably different components. Look at that bastard. A booklet. It's like the other one, except for more awesome. I thought it was supposed to be a solar panel though. Okay, but that's alright. Portable power station. Fucking decent. I'll have to remember to put the. Oh, there's another one. Holy, those just go the enemy. There's another little bit of the package. Oh, how you doing?
Very bad. What did you get?
I got a portable power station. It says it's a portable generator, but it's just like a battery. And I think this is a solar panel.
Cool. You gonna try to make that phone direct energy with the solar?
Yeah.
It will feed up to 3,270 gallons, so that's good.
So it looks like Rock Pals. Oh, nice. Oh, decent. Check that out. Holy shit.
Oh, wow.
Mucho bigger solar panel, yeah. But it's like a clock. I don't know how, with the bag attached right to it. Oh, no way. You got like the stovepipe in here and the wire with like all different type of ends onto it.
Charge controller probably. Did someone send that to you, or did you get it for pay for it?
Well, I just had to pay $78 for duty, but I didn't know what it was. So they sent me the Rock Pals. Fucking Chargner and box.
That'll be good if I ever had to use it to chart my own.
Oh, you go travelings and different things, and if you might get dicked, eh? Oh, and there's like the Chargner in here and different types of accessories. Got different accessories. Holy shit, did you get lost?
Yeah.
Big time?
Oh yeah.
How you doing?
Not too bad, how are you?
Not too bad. Are they quitting?
No, they're just gonna go for a drive.
I'll go for a drive, right on. So do you recognize Rick? You recognize each other.
But I think, man, you look like somebody I did run into before.
Maybe.
Yeah, probably.
You guys probably fucking. Ah! Careful, Gracie. There's probably a little.
Where did your shows go around a lot? More south anymore? Who were you with?
What, this year or last year, or like 10 years ago?
What, you're still
Last year, I was with East Coast
Oh no.
Robertson's for
Okay, yeah,
7
yeah.
years. I think Campbell's the one.
I was world's finest for 23 years.
Yeah, I know some guys in there. And,
So you're like a full-blown carny, like there's,
I'm done.
yeah, but you're a carny though.
oh yeah.
You're never gonna not be a carny. How do you not be a carny? It's like a gang. Well, yeah, I know, but it's not like, oh, I was a carny for fucking 54 years. Oh, not a carny anymore.
Well, no,
It'd be like, what are you, carny?
anything broke down.
You just have Mr. Phipps it? Nice.
Used to fix it for me, like I was thinking. When I was all
Oh.
Yeah, our big boss is Pat. Remember
I
him
would
from
never,
Portland?
ever
Fat Pat.
go to the carny again if I knew Rick was in charge of Phipps and different things. Eh? You were in charge of Phipps and different things.
Yeah,
How many
no,
fucking,
no.
how many kids went just cartwheeling off the fucking ride, no holds Gabardi?
I never had problems.
I apologize.
No our shit were waking up every day.
I apologize.
400
Oh, you want to meet the new guy? Come here for a minute. Careful, Gacy.
Low's lipstick.
Oh, this is Teabag's brother, Dickie, from the carny. He knows Rick.
What you doing?
Not too bad.
Are you Dickard?
I ain't dickered.
Oh, I apologize. He ain't even Dickard.
Not yet.
Scores? You gotta be 2 weeks probably before you're Dickard.
Just grab yourself a coffee, some tape, and
Yeah, a little bit of Liger Bomb.
Yeah. Couple of apples.
Yeah, crush them up though. You gotta crush them. You can't be fucking taking. Oh, I apologize.
I will be slow.
I apologize.
I can do any time.
Oh.
Sodium.
Oh no, you're allergic?
Yeah, I just do extra strength if I need it, and that's it.
It'll kill you?
Rots the gut hurts.
Are you freaking out? You're looking for a way to escape? What happened? Oh, I apologize.
Lots to look at.
Big Jerry? Big Jerry? Big boy.
Jerry's in the hut, that's what I'm
I know.
There's no sense in fucking trudging around in the fucking mud and shit. Ah! Holy fuck! Oh man, wow.
Need a chainsaw?
Not cool.
Your sciatica?
Oh, fucking big time. Oh man, I should fucking carry fish tanks upstairs. That should be like what I do.
I'm all tingly.
Did you got any fucking cigarettes? Because he left his cigarettes in his thing. We should go and, yeah, we should go have a cigarette and
Where's your pisser?
show around the yard. Well, he's got to use your pisser too, so let's go. Grab your coat.
I got tailor-made some bags.
We'll mooch a TM off Rick, hey? Old Dickie again, eh? You guys meet again.
You
Gonna
guys look familiar.
mooch
I
a
know,
fucking
you guys look
cigarette
familiar.
right off
We
him.
probably ran into each other, but
Oh yeah, you guys probably fucking rammed into each other.
the amount of people we've had to scam day in, day out.
Just a scam, like a running scam relentless, eh? Oh, I apologize. That's the guest shitter.
Nice.
Can you breathe in there? Oh, he's in there pooping right now, Rick.
Fucking give her.
He's in there.
Give her. You want to hear it?
Yeah.
I want to hear it.
Krunk.
If it's quiet, you know he's been around.
Yeah, it just falls out like a slithering snake. That's the Toyota Sienna. Both the fucking handles are buggered.
Well, the front ones though.
Somebody messaged me about the back ones, right? And they use just do the old zip time fix. You know what I mean? Decent. Custom. We just got to get through this bulk of the shit and then like do, you know, when I get one in, we do one. Get one in, do one. Get one in, do you know what I mean? As soon as it comes.
Well, we did like for a while.
Oh fuck, my back is fucked.
We did for a while in the summer there, but get rid of that.
Fuck's sakes. Well, yeah, but they're gonna keep coming. I got to get 2 more Tuesday. You know what I mean? What do you think of that trailer? Eh?
I like that.
Hey, that's nice, eh? You probably.
What do you think you should
Have
do?
that.
He shouldn't have that. He says.
It's a nice place.
I've been looking for a place like that for a while for myself.
Potato Cam 9000. Oh, you gotta go?
Yeah.
Right on. Okay, let's fucking. I gotta say bye to Dickie.
Nice meeting you.
Say bye to Dickie.
Bye, guys.
Filthy dirty Dickie, do 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 do. This filthy dirty Dickie. He's filthy dirty Dickie, and he'll fucking plunge it where Rick stinks. Oh fuck yeah! Does that thing light? Like big time?
Yeah.
Is she gonna? She gonna light it up?
Not with the kids in it.
Oh, I apologize. Make moo mistook. Oh, I'm the freaking Rick Whisperer, boys. Hey, you see that? A little bit of a stern talking to. A little bit of a stern talking to. All of a sudden, I haven't heard one complaint about his shoulder. Eh? Interesting. Funny that. But yeah. Dickie might come down for a minute, give us a hand, see how it goes. Somebody best be on their best behavior. Eh? They best. But anyways, boys, I lifted a fish tank 2 days ago, and now I'm back, and then I was trying to stretch. So that's totally awesome. So now I got a walk around half bent over. It's a thing that I do now. So anyways, gonna go quit. But yeah, let me know what you think about Dickie and Richard. I mean, oh my goodness gracious. But yeah, a couple finger fotchkies on that leg button there, a couple of itches from Rick Burns. There you go, no Dick Baumgarten. I don't know.
Don't let the waters get you.